Welcome to Ask Lenovo Support, where we scour our forum and YouTube channel for your questions and answer them. We end up replacing a lot of CRU parts for the YouTube videos, so we wanted to actually order some parts from Lenovo and give you guys an idea of what you can expect and how to prepare for when your CRUs come. Let's talk about preparation. Most CRUs can be replaced using commonly found household items, but there are a few items that you might want to have on hand and some guidelines that you need to follow. A really good thing to have around when you're working on anything smaller than a desktop is a good precision screwdriver kit. I like a kit that's magnetic, has a handle, and a variety of replaceable Phillips heads. Here are a couple precision kits like we use in the studio. You may be able to get away with using your own tools if you have some smaller Phillips head drivers, but kits like these can be purchased online or found at your local hardware store. Again, I recommend you use magnetized bits or drivers so you're not losing any screws. Another tool that will make your life a lot easier is a nylon black stick spudger or pry tool. These tools are nice because they're just strong enough to pry up the clips along the bottom of your system without gouging or slicing the surface material. These tools can be purchased online, but I recommend that you buy more than one because they're inexpensive and they tend to break. Here's a bag of spudgers like we use daily in the studio. You probably only need a couple if you're doing a one-time repair. Here's a closer look for reference when ordering. Okay, let's open a CRU. Each individual CRU will come with a packing list detailing what's inside, a set of shipping instructions, and a return shipping label. You're going to want to keep them somewhere safe in case you need to make a return. Let's tear into this package. The packing list says it's a 2.5-inch hard drive. Inside, there's a small cardboard box. Now I'm just going to cut the security tape, flip it over, and open it. Inside, there's a plastic case holding a hard drive inside of a static safe bag. I recommend you leave the part in the static bag until you're in the process of replacing it. CRUs can come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Here we have an M.2 solid-state drive, a keyboard, and a 2.5-inch hard drive. Your CRU parts will not come with instructions, but the instructions for all CRUs can be found in the user guide. Open your browser and go to support.lenovo.com. In the search bar, type your product name or product serial number and select your machine from the drop-down list. Click Documentation in the top bar and select the Installation and User Guide. Then click on the User Guide. Scroll down to the Contents page of the User Guide until you reach the chapter for replacing devices. Click the name of the CRU part to go to the Instructions page. Some computers will have video CRU instructions available. Click How-Tos and Solutions under Article Type and place a check mark in the Video option. Click the title of the part you need to replace to see the video instructions. Alternately, you can go to our YouTube page to see our CRU replacement videos. Go to youtube.com/Lenovo Service. Click the search icon, type your product name into the box, and hit Enter. Scroll down until you see a playlist with your product name and click View Full Playlist. Then you can select the CRU part that you need to replace to see full video instructions.